When the United States was a very new country, there was a great American chef who influenced America's food forever. Unfortunately, many people don't know who James Hemings is. This is the day you will hear his story. James was born in 1776 to Elizabeth Hemings. His half-sister was Martha Jefferson. James and Martha's father was John Wells. One day, John died, and the people he enslaved, which included 9-year-old James and his siblings, Sally, Robert, and Peter, were inherited by their half-sister, Martha, and her husband, Thomas Jefferson. Thomas Jefferson was passionate about French food. Thomas longed to have a personal French chef who could create his favorite dishes, but he couldn't afford one on his government salary. When Thomas became the American minister to France, he decided to bring James with him to Paris. The trip to France changed 19-year-old James's life forever. James trained with famous restaurateur